Well, it looks like we're going to have an unboxing tonight. Today I've got an unboxing. Super excited about this one. I'm probably not going to review what's inside here because I bought one of the things inside here based on everybody's review that I get online. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Funny how it's pretty much the end of January and Amazon's still using their holiday tape. Maybe they didn't ship as much as they thought they would. Air. More air. Well, this is exciting. That's a switchblade. So those of you that have been following my Insteon devices, this is a screwless switchblade to add to our main hallway. Can you believe there's 5? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I literally couldn't find this at Home Depot or Lowe's. I had to go to Amazon. Air. Okay, this is pretty cool right here. This is for the action camera. So if anybody has an action camera, you will know, like, you're always trying to find cool spots to mount. And yep, I've got everything. I've got the head mount, I've got the wrist mounts, I've got the chest mount, I've got the sticky everywhere mount. But if you're just filming, quick kind of run and gun, where am I going to clip it to get some cool footage? Clip it. Exactly. I got a clip. Okay, so this guy here, if I wanted to do a chest mount right now, I can literally throw that down here and boom, I have a chest mount. So you get the idea. It's basically probably going to be used on a backpack. I'm heading on a ski trip / snowboard trip, so I can find all kinds of spots on my outerwear that I can clip this. And if you have a look, it's got like some super strong teeth, like here, hold on. There we go. See those teeth? So like when that thing clamps down, it's holding on good. So that is the clip. The other great part about this is, say you clip it on like this, but your camera's on the wrong angle. Well, don't worry. These guys thought about that too. There it is. It rotates. So this is absolutely one of the best accessories that you guys can get for your GoPros or your action cameras to instantly get new, interesting footage. So this is going to come with me on a ski weekend that I'm going on with the boys, so hopefully I can find some real cool spots to mount the action camera with this said clip. Alright, let's see what else we got. I got some stickers. So it wasn't really an unboxing, but I got myself a new helmet. I actually went into the store because I wanted to try it on. And I just want to personalize my helmet, so I got some stickers. So I'm going to throw them on the otherwise plain black helmet. I don't know if I'll film it or not, but maybe I'll put it on my Twitter. So follow me on Twitter if you want to see me decorate my helmet. Okay, la pièce de résistance. The thing that I'm not even going to bother reviewing because everybody else on the planet that's a filmmaker has reviewed these things, which is exactly why I bought one. It is the Aputure. What model did I get? It's the ALM9. So this is the Aputure ALM9, and basically it's an LED light, but it's one of the most reviewed. Everybody loves them, probably because they're getting huge commissions. No, I'm just kidding. Everybody loves these, so let's have a little bit of an unboxing. We'll look at it right now. So here we go. The Aputure, I already forgot the model number. ALM9. Link in the description below. That just makes it way easier. So this is the ALM9. So we'll open up the box here. You can see it's got a nice little case. We got some documents. That's it, empty box. So you've got your kind of instructions here. Got like a little business card. Serial number. I really like the case. This is a great idea. It's actually a really nice case. Like, well done, Aputure. You gave a case that has a clip on it that I can clip onto my backpack, onto my belt loop. Speaking of belt loop, there's a belt loop right there. 2 compartments. Like, let's check this out. So, wicked. For somebody that loves organization, this is awesome. So in the back, you've got your USB charging cable. You've got your silica gel. You've got your shoe mount. And even inside this pouch, they're divided. Okay, so there's two spots in the pouch. Like these guys just love organization. Like, sweet. Okay, so look, the cable goes on this side in its own little slot, and this piece goes on that side. I can't believe I'm getting excited about the case, but it's awesome. And then on this side, we have the light. So you actually get a couple different gels with the light, which is super awesome. So you get a blue gel, you get a yellow gel. I'm not sure that, I think this is just a piece of paper to separate the gels. And then this is the ALM9. This guy here basically has a magnet that holds that on. So if you want to switch your gels, you take your blue gel, you pop it on, pop on your magnet, and boom, you've got blue light. Same thing here, you take your yellow gel, you pop it on, take your yellow gel, pop it on, magnets on there, and you've got yellow light. So you can turn it on and off by a switch on the side here. So these are, let's see if I can get this to focus. So there we go, that's the one side there. You can see it's got a nice little hard tactile on-off switch. Okay, and then you have an adjustment for the brightness beside it. So you can go less light or more light. Holy crap, that thing's bright. Oh my god. Woo-wee! That is a bright light. So there you go, there's the Aputure ALM9. That's the blue gel. And that is the yellow gel. Okay guys, I'll be honest, I did not think that this little light was gonna be so freaking bright. So I'm like super excited now that I got this guy, because it's gonna make situations where you need extra light just so much better now, because like, hey man, you need light? I got it, it's in my pocket. Forget that, it's not in my pocket. It's in this sweet pouch that they give you with it. So again, this thing's super wicked. The ALM9 Aputure Light. Awesome, awesome, awesome addition to your vlogging kit. You guys have got to pick one of these up. If you haven't got one already, the link is in the description below. Doesn't cost you guys anything to click on it. Click on that link, see what the price is. I'm sure it's going to be tantalizing enough that you're going to want one of these guys. So again, the Aputure ALM9, battery included, recharging cable included in this sweet little pouch, and even a shoe mount for your camera. So super good buy right there. Make sure you pick one of these up. Follow me on Twitter if you want to see me put all these stickers on my helmet and my laptop. And make sure you hit that subscribe button below if you want to see more unboxing videos like this. I do tutorials with Adobe Premiere Elements, and if I go somewhere cool like on a ski weekend, I'm definitely going to vlog it and throw it on the channel. So make sure you smash that subscribe button below so you're notified when I upload more videos. And if you like this one, hit that like button. If you want one of these sweet ass lights, make sure, if you want one of these sweet lights, check out the link in the description below. Until next time, take it easy out there.